Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again. Much love and appreciation as usual. So news coming out of St. Elizabeth, Bellevue, Southfield, St. Elizabeth to be exact, people, is that a businessman and his wife was shot dead in a supermarket robbery. It goes on to say the Junction police have launched a manhunt for 3 gunmen who shot and killed a supermarket operator and his wife during a late evening robbery in Bellevue district near Southfield, St. Elizabeth on Thursday. The Chinese couple ran Jojo's supermarket. The man died on the spot while his wife succumbed at a hospital where she was being treated. It is reported that about 8 p.m., 3 gunmen went to the establishment to hold up the operators and shoppers at gunpoint. The gunmen took an undetermined sum of money and then made further demands from the operators. When their demands were not met, they opened fire, hitting the operators multiple times, then escaped in a waiting motor car. The fatal attack comes just over a week after Sandybank infant school teacher Chanel Smith was shot dead near her school, also in southern St. Elizabeth. Just browsing social media from last night to this morning, people. I hear different stories. I don't know which one is which, but honestly, people, where that happened, I used to live, before I migrate come to America, I used to live like, I would say 10 minutes from there, people. 10 minutes I usually live from there. And St. Elizabeth is a very quiet place. When you hear of crime, them type of shooting here, people, when you hear about them type of shooting here, it's very shocking. It is very shocking because you don't normally hear about these type of killings, people. You always hear about these killings in other parishes and you always hold your head and wonder why, how could that happen? Like, but now, people, how Jamaica gone, and it look like nobody now put no crime plan into place. Like, everybody just quiet, everybody just get killed, and everybody just keep quiet, people. Like, I don't know what go on at Jamaica, but Jamaica's crime rate is spiraling out of control. Spiraling out of control, people, because nowadays it seems like you can't even have a business. And Christmas right around the corner. Christmas is tomorrow, and it's like the more the crime rate a turn up. You see me? The real pandemic in Jamaica right now is the crime. Not so the coronavirus, the COVID. The crime is what's killing Jamaican people and making Jamaica into one of those top destination to get killed. I can't put it no other way, people. This is very, very, very shocking. They have been operating that supermarket for some years, people. And as me say, people, I don't know if people make up stories, but there was this one person that was very adamant, and in the comments on Jamaica Gleaner say, if you stop spread false news or fake news, because what actually happened, like, I don't know if she was there. She now state if she was at the establishment when it happened, but she's stating that, it was a man that was in the store, that him and the owners of the supermarket got into an altercation, and them tell him to put on a mask, and then the argument ensued and the man shot them. Which me not know, people, that just sound very vague. Like, me not think Jamaican people can be that arrogant if you just kill somebody because them say, put on a mask. You see me? I truly believe that they went to rob the establishment, and that supermarket has been robbed multiple times, people. Multiple times that supermarket has been robbed. And my thing is, like, if you own a business, people, sometimes it's just better off if you spend what extra $20,000-$30,000. It might not dead it, but if you can find a way to make it happen and just get a security guard, somebody that can actually, hinder these thieves from actually wanting to stop and wanting to rob the place. If them see a man out there with a gun or something, you know, it deter them a little bit for you know, come rob the place. You see me? More than if them not see nobody, of course them go walk up in there and feel like, all right, boom, them can rob this and do anything. You see me, people? There's also King Kid that owns I think it's a furniture store down the road, which when I was living in Jamaica, his store got robbed at one point, but it's like them did hell them man there quick. So I know people, I don't know what go on in Jamaica with all these killings and murders, and now these two Chinese businessmen lost them life. Wife and husband lost them life. Jojo's supermarket in Bellevue. Just very sad situation, people. And once I get more information on this, I will give you guys an update and making you know what go on. All right, big up in yourself once again for tuning in to Yard and Abroad TV. Bless up in yourself, people. All right, much love.
That peaceful community, you know, man. Was peaceful as I don't know, they come in and pack up the place, you know. Every night them they bought up and buy car every week. Yeah, man. So you know what you know what you have to do, you know. You have to turn out the bed when night come.